Hi, I'm Mackenzie Zahn here at Almo E4 in the New York City metro area. I'm here with Huddly, and as the Partner Success Manager, I don't know if you've seen me on a live demo of our new Huddly Crew, but we're featuring Huddly Crew today, which is our new multi-camera experience. It really allows for that immersive user experience on the far end. And as you can see in the video, as well as different use cases, it really focuses in on not only the speaker, but also featuring those nonverbal cues that us in the room get to experience, but virtual users sometimes don't get those nonverbal cues. So our Huddly Crew kind of takes that virtual experience one step further. If you want to learn more, please visit us at www.huddly.com. And you can always reach out to me. Again, my name is Mackenzie Zahn with Huddly.